My name is Pierce Holder, and my business is Storage Solutions. We're a storage company that accommodates pretty much every item that a customer needs stored. Our mission is to become one of the most well-known storage companies expand within the next couple years. We value our customers very highly and make sure their needs are met. We have a range of storage units from small to large. Each unit is rented by the month and price ranges by the size. We also offer parking storage for boats and RVs. The market is about $38 billion annually, and our number one competitors out there really is big businesses like StoreSmart and Life Storage. We have our SWOT table. We're going to start off with our weaknesses, rent cost, and competition. There's opportunities, big investors, and being able to reach out to consumers. Threats, no one renting units or big businesses. Strengths, low prices, cheap advertising, and little to no reoccurring costs. The startup costs are $370,000. The blue is representing our building and real estate. Green representing leasehold improvements, that teal capital equipments. Purple location expenses. Gray and working capital. And that red is just other expenses we have. Our monthly sales, if all our units were rented out, is about $12,000 per month. I use September as an example to show if a couple units were not being rented. That amount is about $10,000. The profit and loss is per year right now is $135,000. Rent and related costs $21,000. Operating expenses $23,000, and that net is $113,000. All right, my end goal, honestly, take this company to the next level and expand, as well as eventually open up more. Thank you for watching, and I hope Storage Solutions becomes a bigger thing.